The Project Management Professional Certification is the most respected certification for project managers. Holding this certification says an individual has real-life project management experience and understands how to apply the most widely recognized project management best practices. The PMP exam focuses on the entire process of managing projects as described in the Project Management Book of Knowledge. Many organizations look for the PMP certification as qualifying criteria when hiring project managers. You must meet the following requirements to sit for the exam. You must have 35 contact hours in formal project management education. You must also have work experience, 3 years with a 4-year degree or 5 years without. The exam covers the entire process of project management: initiation, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. It also covers professional and social responsibility. The exam consists of 200 questions. 175 of these are scored. The remaining 25 are unscored pre-test questions. All of the questions are multiple choice. The passing score varies. You have 4 hours to take the exam. In order to take the exam, you must first register with Prometric. Have personal identification such as a social security number and a credit card ready when registering. Prometric can aid in finding the closest testing center to you. They can also help you by phone if necessary. Much of the trouble you may encounter comes from work experience. Because you must be an experienced project manager to sit for the exam, you will bring your experiences and methods with you. The PMP exam requires that you apply knowledge of the PMBOK to real-life situations. If your experience is different from the PMBOK, some questions can lead to confusion. Always use the PMBOK's approach when answering questions. It is tempting to minimize studying for the areas of project management you know best. This can hurt you because the PMBOK's approach is the correct approach for the PMP exam. It is also tempting to minimize the importance of project management areas with which you are unfamiliar. Pay particular attention to those areas. Ensure that you are comfortable with risk and procurement procedures and how they fit into overall project management. Finally, become comfortable in applying project management ethics. Many project managers operate within organizational guidelines but may not be comfortable addressing difficult ethics situations. Pay particular attention to the PMI Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct. In order to prepare for the exam, we recommend that you read and study the Project Management Book of Knowledge. Since the PMP exam is largely based on the PMBOK's contents, it makes sense to know what it says. Know each of the PMBOK's processes along with their inputs, outputs, and tools and techniques. You should also read the PMI Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct. As you study the code, devise scenarios for each topic. The scenarios you develop will be more meaningful and help you remember the concepts. Learn how each section of the code is different and why each one is necessary for the project management profession. Seek out a study group and meet with them as you study for the exam. Discussing project management topics with others is a great way to really learn the material. As you study for the PMP exam, try to apply the PMBOK and Code of Ethics to your own projects. The more you use the processes, the better equipped you will be to answer questions on how they will work in real projects. For primary study, we recommend the PMI Project Management Book of Knowledge, which is the primary resource. We also recommend the PMP Exam Cram, Project Management Professional, 4th edition by Michael Solomon. Additionally, we recommend the PMP Exam Prep by Rita Mulcahy. Finally, we recommend that you take the PMP Certification Prep course. PearsonITCertification.com is your trusted source for certification preparation materials, including books, e-books, videos, flashcards, simulations, and more. Connect to us via Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and subscribe to our On-Certification channel in iTunes. After completing the PMP, you can pursue additional PMI specialty certifications, Program Management Professional, Risk Management Professional, and Scheduling Professional. Good luck!